Roast, I am roasting chicken. Drain, I am draining the pasta. Fry, I am frying eggs. Toast, I am toasting breads. Bake, I am baking a cake. Crack, I am cracking to eggs. Squeeze, I am squeezing oranges. Slice, I am slicing tomatoes. Mash, I am mashing potatoes. Melt, I am melting butter.
Spread, I am spreading butter.
Blend, I am blending smoothies. Whisk, I am whisking eggs. Knead, I am kneading dough. Boil, I am boiling water. Pour, I am pouring tea. Seasoning, I am seasoning chicken. Stir, I am stirring the soup. Mix, I am mixing salad. Fold, I am folding cake batter. Wash, I am washing vegetables. Peel, I am peeling potatoes. Grate, I am grating cheese. Taste, I am tasting the soup. Roll out, I am rolling out the dough. Garnish, I am garnishing the dish. Barbecue, I am going to barbecue some chicken for dinner. Crush, I am crushing garlic. Add, I am adding sugar to the tea.